Welcome to Truehost Academy. Today we're going to walk you through how to download and set up WordPress on your Windows 10 computer. Let's get started. Before we begin, you'll need to have a few things ready. A web browser, and we'll also be using XAMPP to create a local server environment. If you don't have XAMPP installed, you can download it from the official website. Open your web browser and go to www.apachefriends.org. Click on download and select the version suitable for Windows, or simply type XAMPP download on your browser. The first result is the XAMPP official website. Click on the first link. It will send us to this download phase. From here, we can download the latest version of the XAMPP server. Go to your downloads directory and look for XAMPP. To install this server, just double-click on this downloaded file to launch the XAMPP server installer. You have to permit the installation by clicking the Yes button. Click OK. And here it is. Click Next. And here are all the components. Click Next. Select the folder where the XAMPP server will be installed. By default, it will be installed in the C drive. Click Next. Next is the language. Click Next if you are okay with the English language. And here it is ready to install. So hit Next and it's going to start installation. After installation next, let's set up XAMPP. Open the XAMPP control panel and start the Apache and MySQL modules. These services are necessary to run WordPress locally. Now let's download WordPress. Open your web browser and go to www.wordpress.org. On the WordPress homepage, click on the Get WordPress button. You'll be taken to the download page. Click the Download WordPress button to get the latest version of WordPress in a zip file. Once the download is complete, locate the zip file in your Downloads folder. Now we need to move it into the XAMPP HTTOS folder. Open File Explorer and navigate to the XAMPP installation directory, usually found at c/ampts/htdos. Move the WordPress folder into this directory. Right-click on the file and select Extract All. Choose the destination folder where you want to extract the files. After extracting, you'll see a folder named WordPress. This contains all the files you'll need for WordPress. Copy all the files in the extracted WordPress folder and paste them into a new folder. Rename this new folder to be something like My Website. Go back to your web browser and visit http://localhost/WordPress or http://localhost/mywebsite if you renamed the folder. You'll see the WordPress setup page. Select your preferred language and click Continue. On the next page, click Let's Go to start the configuration. Now, we need to create a database for WordPress. Open your web browser and go to http://localhost/phpMyAdmin. In phpMyAdmin, click on Databases and then enter a name for your database, such as WordPress_DB. Click Create to set up the database. Go back to the WordPress setup page and enter your database details. Database name, WordPress_DB. Username, root. Password, leave blank. Database host, localhost, table prefix, WP_click. Submit, then run the installation. Fill in your site title, username, password, and email address. Click Install WordPress and you're done. To access your WordPress dashboard, go to http://localhost/WordPress/WP-admin or http://localhost/mywebsite/WP-admin. Log in with the username and password you created. Congratulations, you've successfully installed WordPress on your Windows 10 machine. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.